In this video, we will be discussing about adding multi-currencies in Pabbly subscription billing. Okay, so before we begin the process, let me show you something. So let's have a visit to this part called as settings. Click on settings. Okay, so in the profile settings, you will find the option called as currency. So as you can see, the default currency that I'm working with is United States dollars, US dollars, and I'm trying to change it, but it can't be changed. This is because the currency can be only chosen once at the time of setting up the account. So when I was setting up the account, I had chosen United States dollars as my default currency and it can't be changed. So your obvious question right now is how I'm supposed to work with different currencies like Swiss, Kronos, Naira, Peso, etc. and etc. Okay, so it's actually pretty easy. First of all, let's have a visit to this part, multi-currency. Click here. Okay, so as you can see, I already have some extra currencies added to my account. So as you can see, the primary currency is US dollars. Then I have added euro, then Naira, and then Philippines peso. Now, how about we add another currency? It's actually pretty easy. Just click on add currency. So when we click on add currency, our dialog box appears in front of you. It has two blanks to fill, company name and select currency. So I'm going to give a name to this company. So the company name is Sunshine Exporters something. Okay. Then in select currency, we are going to add an extra currency. So how about we add Saudi Riyal? Okay. Then just click on save. So as you can see, Saudi Riyal has been added with other set of currencies. So to create products and plan, just click on login now. Okay, so this is the dashboard. Here just click on enable test payment or enable your payment gateway. Then we are going to add a product. So we know the drill. Just give a name to this product. My product's name is skydiving. Okay, so I'm not concerned about the product description or the customer redirect. I'm just going to click on submit. Okay, so how about we add a plan? Okay, so this is the plan page. Now I'm going to give a name to this plan. Let's say it's quarterly plan. The price, let's keep it as 100. Excellent. Okay, so the payment gateway, let's keep it as all gateway at this point. Just click on save. Okay. So the plan has been created. Let's have a look. So as you can see, this is the plan name, quarterly plan. Billing cycle is kept as one time, and the price, this is the most important part I want to show you. The price is kept as 100 Saudi Riyal. Excellent. So basically our pricing will now work on Saudi Riyal. So how about we go back to our main account? So just click on my account. Okay, excellent. Let's go to all apps. Then click on access now. Okay, so again scroll down, go to settings and then click on multi-currency. Okay, so if you want to add more currency, just repeat the process by clicking on add currency. Okay, so this was all about adding multiple currencies to Pabbly subscription billing. If you have any doubts and queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will work on to sort out your issues. Thanks.